So we're starting a new playlist, almost like a vlog style, behind the scenes.
Kind of day in the life of
Tesla Geeks. Because Russell and I, we travel a lot. Yeah. So like trips that we're taking, of course, it all has to involve Tesla.
Right. Yeah. We try and at least go to a Tesla service center or a showroom everywhere we go.
We're dorks.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. So to kind of kick it off, I put together a quick video with my trip to Hawaii. I was there for a week. And was able to get a hold of a Model X P100D and give my brother-in-law and some of his coworkers.
You should see his reactions.
Yeah,
They're the best.
Yeah. So it's kind of I try to keep it pretty short. The test drive with the Tesla is towards the end. Before that, it's just kind of me running around like a crazy, doing hikes and things like that. We do some pretty crazy stuff, so maybe we'll kind of share some of our antics with you guys.
Traveling the world.
Yeah.
Talking about Tesla.
Day in the life. So we are currently at Waimea Valley, which has the Waimea waterfall, which I just came back from. Pretty cool, overcrowded a little bit, but I mean, look at this. It's just beautiful. I mean, this is definitely not a normal hiking trail. It's all paved, but it's pretty spectacular to see.
Dude, like I seriously couldn't, like my brain stopped working. Yeah, turn around. Holy fucking shit.
It's a little different than
Is that recording?
Yep.
Oh, okay, edit out the cussing.
No, I need the cussing. Because that's real shit. That's real topic.
Dude.
It's a bit,
like
it takes you like brain back a little bit.
I couldn't, I was like twitching, I was like this. It doesn't get any better for the brain freeze.
Oh man!
Wow.
You feel that difference?
That is amazing. It's like, even though you know what's coming, it's still terrifying. There's like some like... There's some like primordial... My amygdala says... Jeez. Doesn't matter how much you prepare.